day, ladies and gentlemen, to the Collective Mining Company update on Commodity TV. The People's Bank of China restarted their gold purchases. We like it. The Chinese central bank resumed its gold purchases in November to further expand its reserves, official data from the central bank showed. The PBOC was the largest buyer of gold in the official sector in 2023 and will remain far ahead in 2024. China now officially holds 72.96 billion ounces of gold as at the end of November 2024. Whereas previously it was US government bonds, it has now realized that paper is only worth something as long as there is confidence. Gold has held this promise of value and trust for over 5,000 years, ladies and gentlemen. This should also bring the public buyer sector and private investors back onto the scene in 2025. We see gold running to $3,100 per ounce next year. Collective Mining is a company that also shines golden with its drill results. The company further discovered high-grade subzones at Apollo and drilled the best hole to date with over 150 meters of 6.16 gram gold equivalent within a 534.4 meters 2.7 grams gold equivalent per ton. The hole was successfully drilled orthogonally through the Apollo system to test for the first time the potential of the newly modeled wide high-grade subzones within the system. 2 additional holes have been completed to test the newly modeled high-grade subzones. Both holes intersected the projection of the newly modeled subzones and intersected significant sulfide mineralization over wide intervals, and assay results are expected in early Q1 2025. Drilling in 2025 will systematically test the vertical extent of the new modeled high-grade subzones, which extend over more than 1,000 vertical meters, as they have the potential to significantly increase the overall grade profile of the Apollo system. The company is currently operating 4 drill rigs as part of its fully funded and scheduled 40,000-meter drill program for 2024, with a fully funded 60,000-meter drill program planned for 2025, which will be the largest drill campaign in the company's history. APC 104D1 was drilled southwest of the mother hole APC 104D, drilled from the new pad 17 to orthogonally intersect several newly modeled high-grade subzones within the Apollo system. APC 104D1 is the largest grade accumulation discovered to date at Apollo, with 1,440 grams gold equivalent per ton on a gram times meter basis. By comparison, the grade in APC 104D1 of 1,440 grams gold equivalent per ton is 38% higher than the average of 1,055 grams gold equivalent in the 14 previous grade accumulations of over 1,000 grams gold equivalent per ton drilled by the company. High-grade intercepts within Apollo have now been drilled from surface to a depth of 1,150 meters, with the deepest intercept being the recently discovered ramp zone, which returned an intercept of almost 58 meters of 8.18 grams gold equivalent per ton. The ramp zone is in close proximity to the proposed underground conveyor tunnel for a future mine at the Guayabales project and shares some geological characteristics with Aris Mining's multi-million-ounce Marmato Deeps deposit located just 1.75 kilometers southeast of Apollo. Drilling is underway at the ramp zone, with assay results expected in the first quarter of 2025. Collective Mining is a gold, silver, copper, and tungsten exploration company with projects in Colombia, founded by the team that developed Continental Gold and sold approximately $2 billion to Zijin Mining. The company has options to acquire 100% interest in 2 projects located directly in an established mining camp with 10 fully permitted and operating mines. As we expected, the chart has made an upward reversal formation and is on track to reach our first price target of 6.5 Canadian dollars. However, we already see a price target of 8 to 9 Canadian dollars for the share from the 2022-2023 formation. You can also find all the information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything to do with commodities. We look forward to your like and, more importantly, please subscribe to our TV channel. Please note the disclaimer. The shares discussed are or will be part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder in the company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.